Hey guys, sorry I lost you on that last video. Not sure why, but my phone only records for a certain amount of time. I must be running out of video memory. But anyways, it's been probably 10 or 15 minutes since I dropped that last video. And I've left the hood open just so I can let things cool down a little bit quicker. And things are pretty much damn near back to the way they were before I started the print. And also, the cable tension is back to the way it was basically before I started the print. So, I just made these videos to try to help anybody who's curious to try to understand what might be going on here. I know there's been quite a bit of people trying to research and troubleshoot these things and get to the bottom of some unexplained issues with them. And I think that this is one thing that people should probably be aware of with these printers. The guys that are running the 306 models, I don't think run into this issue because they're simply not in an enclosure. I don't know anybody that has a string drive printer that has ever had to deal with this issue. As far as I know, this is the only printer that's a string drive inside of an enclosure that I'm aware of. I don't know of any other kind of printers that have a string drive in an enclosure. And when you put a string drive system in an enclosure, you're sort of changing the game completely, just because of the temperature building up inside. Me and my friend built the string drive printer from scratch, and we did guitar tune that one. Uh, and that tension does stay the same because it's simply not in an enclosure. This is obviously not. So I just kind of wanted to share this information. Sorry to eat up too much of you guys' time. For those of you guys that's still with me, thanks for staying with me and watching these and bearing with me here. Anyways, yeah, I'm trying to get through to the bottom of these issues. 0.9 degree steppers, amazing. Highly recommend them. Definitely worth the upgrade. They're cheap and they're extremely great. They basically get rid of all the ringing problems that you might have. So anyway, that's that. So take care, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.